Okay guys, I got a 2023 Chevy Silverado base model. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. You're going to open this side, you're going to pop out, so this thing comes out. Pop out this one as well. And then this may stay on, it popped off, but if you need to, you're just going to pop it this way to pop this piece off. Your cabin air filter door is right here. There's two tabs on each side. You're going to push in and pop out, and then you're going to pull it to your left. So you're going to pop this out and then pull it like this and pop it out. Cabin air filter's right here. Just take it out and take a look at it, see if it needs replaced or not. Looks like it's in decent condition. Probably not. And it may need replaced. But that's how you do it. The airflow is pointing down. And I will link one in the description for you. So hopefully that helps. And remember, when you're taking this off, you pop this piece off and then you pull it left. So to put it back in, we're going to set it right there so these tabs align. And then pop it in like that. And then to put this back in, just make sure that you pull this down and pop it back on. And just push it up, shut it, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.